SEO Revolution. Video number 10. Rock your SEO with blog commenting tips. It can help you rank your keywords. It's an extremely practical approach for link building and simplest off-page technique. So let's find out the best strategies for blog commenting. What is blog commenting? Blog commenting is relation development process of bloggers with other bloggers, blogs, and of course, their lovely audience. It's an awesome way to get linked, share your opinions and ideas about specific blog topics. Blog comment types. Let's look at its different types. Normal comment backlink, keyword love / comment love backlinks, anchor text backlink. Now, let's see what's inside each type. Number 1. Normal comment backlink. You can say it's the most common and simplest form of common backlink. You can get types, means do follow or no follow, and it's in the hands the webmaster of the blog you are commenting on. Number 2. Comment love backlinks. By default, the backlinks you'll get from this are no follow, but the blog owner can change these to do follow in the settings. Not only commenter, but the site owner gets good traffic as well as excellent comments. Number 3. Comments with anchor text backlinks. This type of comment backlink is often spammy because people often use these to give lots of outbound links to their sites for multiple backlinks with single comment. Blog commenting mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Over-optimizing your keyword and name selection. You may have seen this on many websites. Many people are creating backlinks on their anchor text instead of creating their names. This looks spammy. Number 2. Avoid short names of the bloggers. Try taking your time to type the full name of the author. You'll surely have better chances to get a response. Number 3. Fake email usage. It's deadly, as no one would ever approve your comment with a fake email. It's a big communication hindrance. Number 4. Not using Gravatar with your email. Once again, it's a sign of better trust if you have Gravatar attached to your email and have your photo with your smiley face. Number 5. Off-topic discussion. Just as the relevancy of your backlink in SEO is worthy, staying on the topic which is under discussion is critical. So try to be on topic always. Blog commenting SEO tips. To help you optimize your blog commenting strategy and avoid disappointing results, following are the tips. Number 1. Use your real identity and name. Using your real identity while appreciating others' work or promoting your own brand or doing both at the same time is vital. Number 2. Learn about the site you are commenting. Read the previous posts made by the author in the same website. The more you read, the closer you get to the author's psyche. Number 3. Study the comments that people make. By reading other people's comments, you will get to know their tone, their interest, and above all, how they present themselves in the community. You can just replicate other people's comments, adding something unique and using your own tone. Number 4. Always add some value. The topic you have selected to comment on is appealing, no doubt. You have knowledge on the field you are commenting on. Great. You have read about the author and the topic. Even better. Number 5. Lengthier than tweet, shorter than blog. The ideal length of a comment is between a long tweet, which is 140 characters, and a short blog post, generally 200 to 300 words. Number 6. Avoid excessive links. People go for 1, 2, or even 3 links inside their comments, but it's best for them to have actually one link in the comment section. That link can be any website you are using as a reference, even your own. Number 7. Promote the post you commented on. This is another great strategy to get your comment noticed. You found the post interesting and commented on it. So, why not promote the post publicly through your social media account? You can do many things with this, but if you do it in a spammy way, it's harmful to your site. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.